Hello, my name is Jocelyn Rosca Rocha. I am in the lab Chem 210 in group O2B, and I am doing my laboratory glassware. So here you see me grabbing my beaker and I'm adding my 2.100 grams of sugar, and then I add distilled water, about 10 milliliters of it. So you're adding the water, and then next I mix it. So here I mix it, and then I mix it until all the water is dissolved. No, until all the sugar is dissolved, not the water. The water is dissolving the sugar. So here I am just doing it, and then I'm going to put it in fast. So it doesn't take that long. And now, after all the sugar is dissolved, I check it about once or twice to make sure that all the sugar is actually dissolved. And so then I grab the funnel and put it into the volumetric flask, and then I add the water in there. So you can see me doing that. So I keep doing that until everything from the beaker is in there. So then I grab what I used to mix, and then I grab the distilled water, and then I just rinse it off and also rinse the inside of the beaker. And I proceed to do that about 3 times. But after rinsing it, I add it back into the volumetric flask. Just forgot to mention that. So yeah, I'm gonna proceed to do that 3 times. So after doing that 3 times and adding every single last drop into the volumetric flask, I make sure all the water is out of the funnel and into the flask. And you can see me doing that here. And then I double check to make sure nothing's in the beaker. You can see nothing's in the beaker. And then I proceed to grab the distilled water and fill it up all the way to the calibration mark, to make sure that I did that correctly. So as you can see here, I'm adding drop by drop to make sure it hits the line. And you can see here, I hit the line. So then here's a close-up. And then I proceed by flipping it, inverting it over and over about 6 or 8 times to make sure everything that's in there is all mixed up. So you can see me doing that. And that's it. So thank you.